Okay, in the
तो
previous
क्वेश्चन के
lecture,
क्लास
we have discussed the basic things about IC method, where we discussed that this method is very important, where we have the combination of two motions. It may be not the pure, but it may be more than one or two motion. Then we are prefer the use the IC method, where we discuss that either translation rotational or rotational translation method is there. Then we prefer the IC method, where we discuss that what is centrode, what is axode, what is IC axis, and same way we are considered two body, and we are just find that what is the body center and space center also. After that, we are take one rigid body, and on that body we are assume one link, and on that link we are just finding the I center of that 2 point. Either it may be A or it may be B, and we prove one equation that if there are, suppose we are considered 2 point, then it may be the equation like VA by VB is equal to VA by VB is equal to AI by BI, or we can consider that VA by AI is equal to omega, or VB by BI is equal to omega. If there are, we consider up to Z point, then VA by AI is equal to VB by BI is equal to VC by CI is equal to VZ by ZI is equal to omega. So this is the one basic equation that we discussed in the previous lecture. Now, after that, we talked that the basic equation for to find the number of possible combination of two links, where n of n minus 1 by 2, where n is the number of links. So initially we take one example where forward chain is there, and we are put in place of small n, we are put 4 in the bracket 4 minus 1 by 2, so we are getting 6 number of links, and that we are arranged in this way. As we know that there are basic 3 types of center, we have to find with our imaginary point of view. So here fixed I center are there, permanent, and neither fixed nor permanent. Okay, so these are the 3 basic types that we have to count whenever we start to calculate that example. After that, we have some basic rules. If the joints are made by the pin joint, or it may be pure rolling contact, or it may be a pure sliding contact, or it may be a curved surface, or the contact between two surfaces may be with the help of constant radius of curvature. Okay, so as per the different kind of surfaces we have the different kind of location for I center. Okay, after that we have the one basic rule to find the I center method, that if 3 bodies move relative to each other, then they have 3 I center and lies on the straight line. I center means instantaneous center. IC method is also we are considered sometimes. So these are the synonym names for this method. If we have 3 links, then definitely as per Kennedy theorem, we are getting 3 number of I center, and all are lies on a straight line that we already derived in the previous lecture. Now, there are some steps. We are forcefully follow the steps. Initially, when we are start the example, on that time we are just find that how many links are there. So based on that, we are create capital N. After that, we have to draw, or we have to accommodate all the I center on the figure. As you see at here, we are talk about the forward chain mechanism. So based on that, we create the 6 bar and 6 IC center, and we are accommodate on that. After that, in which link how many, or it may be concerned how many I center. If we talk about the link 1, right now it may be anti-clockwise, so link 1 sorry, anti-clockwise, so link 1, link 2, link 3, and link 4 are accommodated in this way, where link 1 is concerned with 1 4, 1 2, and we are considered this 1 3 also. Same way link 2 is concerned with link 2 3, and link 2 4, and link 3 4 is concerned with only 3 4, but not a single link start with the 4. Okay, so this is the arrangement that we have to forcefully follow when or while we are solving the example. After that, we have to inspect the mechanism, if it may be which kind of mechanism, and based on the mechanism, we are use the different kind of rules for I center. Either it may be a pin joint, or it may be sliding contact, or it may be rolling contact. Either it may be given to you. Sometime it may be given in the example, or sometime you have to image. Already one image is given to you. From the image, you have to inspect and you have to conclude that the center is which kind. So based on that, you have to predict, and that may be get after some exercise. So you may keep some exercise. After that, some points which are neither fixed nor permanent, that we are accommodated with the help of circle. How to draw the circle that we initially described in the previous lecture. For that, that depends on number of links. Whichever links are there, that may accommodate the points on the circle. Whatever, suppose we have 4 links, on that time we accommodate 4 points on the circle. The radius, whichever you want, so there is no issue with the radius, and no issue with the dimensions. But you have to accommodate all 4 points or all number of links point on circle. Join the points by solid lines, and after that, with the help of figure and with the help of this figure and with the help of this figure, we are creating the remaining points, which may be considered as a neither permanent nor fixed, with the help of circle diagram. And due to this diagram, we are finding that the velocity and or it may be angular velocity of the problem. Okay, now start with the one basic problem that we already solved with the relative method, graphical method. Same problem. If you have the notebook, if you have the any book, then start to draw as per the data. I just read the data, so it's easy for you. In a pin joint, forward mechanism, they may mention initially that it may be a pin jointed. Okay, so no issue with what kind of joints are there. In a pin joint forward mechanism, as shown in figure, AB 300 mm, BC and CD equal to 360 mm, BC, CD 360 mm, and AD is equal to 600 mm. The angle BAD 60 degree. The angle BAD 60 degree. The crank AB rotates at 100 RPM. Locate all the IC center. First, what we have to find, locate all the IC center and find the angular velocity of the link PC and find the angular velocity of link BC. See, as we know that the space diagram is very important when we talk about the graphical method. Same way, here the space diagram is also important to get the different values. So draw with proper scale. It may be 1 centimeter is equal to 100 mm or 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. It's up to you. So take the relevant scale as per your space and draw this kind of forward chain mechanism, and you have to show it may be a pin joint at A, at B, at C, and at D. It may be considered as a pin joint. We know very well that A is here, B is here, C is here, and D is here. So we are consider link 1 as a AD, link 2 as a AB, link C as a BC, and link 4 as a CD. Okay, so it's very easy to consider which is link 1 and consider which is link 4. As we analyze the data, we conclude that the speed, the crank speed is given us, that is 100 RPM. So NAB is equal to 100 RPM. So omega AB is equal to 2 pi n by 60, 2 pi 100 by 60. So we are getting the answer is 10.47 radian per second. And we know very well the dimension first link AB is given to us, so it's easy to find the velocity of B. So velocity of B is equal to omega AB into AB. Omega AB, as we already calculate, 10.47, and AB 300 mm, convert in meters, so 0.3. So 10.47 into 0.3, 3.141 meter per second. We are getting the answer is 3.141 meter per second. This is the answer of velocity of B from the data. Okay. Now start with the first step. Mechanism here, mechanism consists of 4 links. So number of eye center, capital N is equal to N of N minus 1 by 2. If you want to start the calculation or methodology, then you may keep it. So it's very easy for you to understand. And anybody have any query, then they can mention in the comment box. So I answer you if you have any query. So first step is N of N minus 1 by 2. So we are get N is equal to capital N is equal to 6. It means that in our mechanism we are getting 6 number of eye center. Second step, before start second step, we have to finish the diagram. So let's start the diagram and try to finish the diagram. As we know that this is the A, B, C, D. Already I mentioned this is as a first link, AD as a first link, AB second link, link 1, link 2, link 3, and link 4. Now join 1 and 2 link, it is pin joint. So getting I center I12, link 2, 3 join with point B, it is called as a I23. Link 1 and 4, I14, link 3 and 4, it is called as a I34. As we discussed earlier the steps, so based on that step, if I am joining this link and this link, then it may wholly cover link 1 and link 3. So I am getting I center I13 simultaneously. If I can extend this line and wherever it may be contact or it may be intersect, it may be cover link 2 and link 4, it called as a I24. After finishing this diagram, we have to follow this table. Links I center 6 in number 1, 2, 3, 4, where we have to write all number of links 1, 2, 3, 4, where we are getting I12, I13, I14 as shown in the previous slide. Same for link 2, I23. For link 3, link 2, I23 and I24, link 3, I34. So link 1 concerned with 3 I center, I12, I13 and I14. Link 2 is concerned with the 2 I center as shown in figure, I23 and I24, and link 3 is concerned with 1 I center, I34, while link 4 haven't any I center. Okay. From the figure, we have considered that from the data, we already defined that link 1 is a fixed link. So from this figure, we have considered that the fixed and permanent I center by inspection, and the centers are I12, I23, I34, and I14. Okay, these are the center which may be either fixed or permanent. Now it means we create the 4 center. Now 2 center are remaining. That is neither fixed nor permanent I center by Kennedy's theorem, and this is done by circle diagram. How that I discuss now. Mark 4 points as we discussed earlier regarding the steps how to draw the circle. So as per the number of links, we have to locate that point on the circle. So mark 4 points, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the circle. You can see the figure. I just draw one circle and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Join points 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 1 to indicate the I center already located at I12, I23, I34, and I14. Okay, join 1, 3 to form 2 triangles. Where I join 1, 2, 3, so I am getting 2 triangles of that square. That is 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4, 1. The side 1, 3 is common to both triangle, which is responsible for completing 2 triangles. Okay. Therefore, the eye center I13 lies therefore the I13 lies on the intersection of the lines I13 lines joining the points I12, I23 and I14, I34. Okay. How I am getting I13? To join I12, I23 and I34, I14. The center I13 is located. Mark number 5. It is called as a mark number 5 because already our eye center have already been located on circle. So where we have to locate? We have to locate with the dotted line and join 1, 2, 3. Now join 2 to 4 to complete 2 triangle which 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. If I have joined 2 to 4, then 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4 are the 2 triangle. The side where the side 2, 4 is common to both triangle, which is responsible for completing 2 triangle. Therefore, center I24 lies on the intersection of the point I23, I34 and I12, I1. The center I24 is located. Mark number 6. On the dotted line 2, 4. So all 6 eye center are located on the circle. Okay, as the data given, locate all eye center. Okay, and find the angular velocity of BC. Now we focus on BC. We just see here, I just dark what we want to find. We have to find the omega BC. We have equation, that equation we are used. B is equal to R into omega. Omega BC that we are already find. Now I13B. You can just see it here. The non-permanent eye center on PC link is I13. So we are focused on I13 and we have to find the length of, velocity of BC. So we are focused on B. Now we have to measure this length. As already we know that this is 300 mm, this is 360 mm, so it may be 0.3 meter, it may be 0.36 meter, and this may be 600, so we are considered that 0.6 meter. So simultaneously we are extend this and same way we are extend this, and that dimension, it means that I13B dimension you are getting, which may be 500 mm or it may be considered as a 0.5 meter. Convert in meter, so it may be 0.5 meter. So omega BC or angular velocity is equal to VB by I13B, as already we discussed initially, and we are finding VB is equal to 3.141 meter per second. So 3.141 by 0.5. So we are getting 6.282 radian per second. This is the answer of angular velocity of the link BC. So this is the first of forward chain mechanism with the help of eye center method. If you have query, then you can ask me in the comment box so I can try to answer your queries.